You're getting lots of social traffic. It's going everywhere. It's pouring down. But how are you converting them? How are you making them into clients, customer sales, meetings? What are you doing to control your social traffic? How about using LinkTree to convert better? There's this myth that you have to be incredibly viral to make the most of the internet and social media. That's a totally wrong approach to build up your personal brand. You should think about personal branding as if it was a channel approach, like you're a TV show, creating regular content, your shows, on a regular basis to increase and have a steady stream of social traffic. But when it comes to social traffic, how do you control that social traffic and convert better? That's why I'm going to introduce and talk about LinkTree as a tool to help convert better. So in this video, we're going to be talking about boosting your social traffic and converting better with LinkTree. On a side note, this video is sponsored by LinkTree, but don't swipe away or stop watching just because it's sponsored. You're going to gain lots of knowledge bombs on tactics on how to boost your social traffic, and convert better. If you're new to this channel, my name is String and I care about personal branding and marketing. So this channel is all about brand marketing. I've been in your shoes. I've been a content creator, I've been a business owner, I've been creating content, and then I get stuck as well. So one of the key lessons that I've learned throughout my 10 years of creating content online is that you need to know how to control traffic, social traffic specifically, because by controlling traffic, you can convert better. Think of yourself or ourselves as city planners. We get to plan out the way the road and where the people and traffic goes through. So by controlling traffic, we push them towards a call to action, an action that we want people to do. And the action that we want people to do is to visit one link. And that one link is whether it be your product, whether it be your website, whether it be something that you want to promote, that is the home link, the traffic that you want to push to. And that's how you get conversions, right? But I noticed that while we're on so many social traffic that it's so fragmented, as content creators, as coaches, as entrepreneurs, how can we convert better? So having this like one home link, the ultimate link to push traffic to and track, that's what we need to do. Let's talk about the first tactic. And the first tactic is considering the long game. I want you to think of yourself as a channel. By being a channel, you focus on one channel that has your folks and your folks in it, that pulls people in and be your audience. So what kind of channel do you want to be? So think about the niche that you want to be known for. And the easy way to translate that is like, what is the go-to thing that you want people to know you for? For example, this is a channel about brand marketing and building up your personal brand online. So what kind of channel do you want to be known for? Feel free to comment below and answer that question. What kind of channel do you want to be? What do you want to be known for? And to think about your niche topic, just to expand on this, what it is to be a niche topic, it is focusing on one thing only. The most common thing that people do wrong, trying to be too much in too many things. Like for example, when a blogger talks about being a food channel and being a car channel, and what they do is like they confuse their audience and they end up like losing people because a car person might not be interested in food things as well. So you need to find that cult following where people just want to come to you for that one topic. Early on, I talked about channels, and I'm just going to share with this philosophy on how we consume content through fried chicken. And you must know that I love fried chicken. So for example, Facebook is I like fried chicken, Twitter is I like hashtag fried chicken, Instagram is look how pretty my fried chicken is, Spotify is a playlist of my rap songs about fried chicken, Pinterest is like, hey, check out my pin board of fried chicken recipes, YouTube is like, watch me eat fried chicken, or how to eat fried chicken, or how to make fried chicken. And LinkedIn is I'm an organizer of fried chicken parties. I'm an event organizer. So can you see The differences between each platforms and each social platforms is known for, it's the way we consume content. So you need to create content. You have the one topic in all of them, and you have to make sure that you create content in the way we consume content, the way that the audience of that platform consume content. So that's why you can't talk about jobs on Facebook, because people won't resonate with that. People just want to know how your life is, because that's where your friends hang out. So that's the thing that you need to note about engaging content. You need to like create content that's specific to that platform itself. It's all about the game of attention, and the game of attention dictates that we should like interrupt patterns of habits on there. Here are some things to consider when creating engaging content. Think about the emotions that we want to trigger in people. And it could be anger, it could be sadness, it could be happiness, but trigger something that will like, wow, like a puppy triggers people's emotions of happiness. A cake triggers emotions of like, I want to eat that delicious piece of cake. So trigger those emotions by doing those things and invoke those emotions. That's what creating content is. It's not meant to be dry or boring, like a dry bread. You want to engaging enough that people want to have those conversations. So you want to create engaging content that evokes emotions. LinkTree is a power tool. A power tool that allows you to control all the social traffic that you've been boosting on LinkedIn, boosting on YouTube, boosting on Twitch, different channels. You created a channel, now you just have to control it. And how do you control it? You control it with LinkTree. I'm so excited by that, because you have to understand the power of just using this powerful tool that's so simple that even I wished I created this tool itself, and I'm all about tools. So why am I so excited about it? It's because like you have a home link, a power link that houses all your links in one spot, meaning that you could push traffic to one link and you get to track it. You have data behind it. I love knowing data. So knowing where this traffic is coming from, where the clicks are coming from, allows me to control and understand who is clicking on my link. Also, you don't have to wait. You can convert now. Convert that traffic now. Instead of like wasting time and money, spending thousands, hundreds of dollars of creating a website, you could create this micro site called LinkTree and set up a LinkTree Pro and have your branding on it and just house all the links that you are really important in promoting your courses, your services, your like blogs, your socials, and control that traffic. And a thing to note is that you don't try to have hundreds of links in one place. You control and focus on the 4 prime links that you want people to know about. With LinkTree, you could actually embed videos, and I'm all about videos. So I'm going to embed this video, very meta of me, about LinkTree into my LinkTree Pro account. And you could buy directly from PayPal too. So that means like you could like have PayPal into your LinkTree. Mind blowing. It's something that a lot of people don't realize on LinkedIn specifically, that our LinkedIn profile is not a resume, especially if you're a coach, entrepreneur, SaaS person, something that you have something to offer. Your LinkedIn profile is a landing page. LinkedIn has added this section called featured, which was never there before. Before, like you have to like create this ugly URL into your LinkedIn section of your about and have that there, and people, it's not clickable. But now you have something that is able to be clickable, and there's this thing called the section featured, or the featured section, where you could put a link there, meaning it's clickable. I'm excited about that, because now I could write and create a pretty copywritten, sales-written kind of landing page with a button on the bottom. This is where you put your LinkTree URL into this button, and it will be so pretty, because like instead of having 5 buttons and people have to like scroll through the next thing, you have one button that allows people to click on it, and that's like your conversion that you should track. It's like, how many clicks can I get people to click on my profile and click on that button so people could see what I'm doing and offering as well. You should thank me for this. because it's so dope that hardly anyone's using it right now. So turn your LinkedIn profile into a landing page and add a button, a LinkTree button. There you have it. You have techniques, 3 ways of boosting traffic, whether it be content, being a channel, leveraging LinkedIn profile to be your landing page, and 1 super tool to help convert your traffic and convert better, which is LinkTree. So I'm excited. My name's String. Leverage the traffic and convert better. And if you have any other questions, feel free to comment below, because I like answering questions and helping people grow online.